Take your Nikon D3500 photography to the next level by transforming your smartphone or tablet into a powerful external monitor and remote control. This tutorial will guide you through connecting your mobile device to your D3500, unlocking a larger, clearer view of your composition, enabling precise remote adjustments, and ultimately boosting your creative workflow. First, ensure your smartphone or tablet has the Nikon SnapBridge app installed. You can download it from your device's app store. Once downloaded, open the SnapBridge app to begin the setup. Now, power on your Nikon D3500 on your smartphone. Navigate within the SnapBridge app to the pairing or camera connection section. The app will then guide you through the process of connecting your camera wirelessly. On your D3500, you might need to enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth sharing. Through its menu, consult your camera's manual for the exact steps, but typically, this is found within the setup or network settings of your camera. Once both devices are discoverable, select your Nikon D3500 from the list of available cameras. Within the SnapBridge app, a successful connection will be indicated by a stable connection confirmation on both your phone and camera. You should now see a live view feed from your D3500 displayed on your smartphone screen. With your camera connected, you can now use your smartphone as a versatile external monitor. Zoom in to precisely frame your shots, review your compositions on a larger display, and even control various camera settings remotely. Adjust your aperture, shutter speed, ISO, and toggle shooting modes directly from your phone. This remote control functionality is invaluable for self-portraits, group shots, or when you need to be away from the camera to capture the perfect moment. You can also trigger the shutter release remotely, ensuring smooth operation and minimizing camera shake. By leveraging your mobile device as an external monitor and remote, you gain greater control and flexibility, significantly enhancing your overall photography experience and workflow. Start experimenting with this powerful combination today.